It's not that easy being green.
Does this look like a familiar scene in college dorm rooms? Leaving things such as a television on while you are sleeping or studying wastes energy.
Even though you turn off your computer, your accessories may still be on and running.
This doesn't just occur in dorm rooms. Unfortunately, it happens all over campus.
The Bush campus residence halls alone consume more than 10 million kilowatt hours of electricity, resulting in a $1.4 million energy bill.
This outstanding value shows high electricity usage, and with more electricity being used, more carbon dioxide is being emitted into the atmosphere. Rutgers is already taking action to reduce its carbon footprint. Having hand dryers in dormitory bathrooms helps reduce paper towel waste. The Print Green initiative in the computer labs, adopted in August 2008, has reduced paper usage by 33%, saving approximately 325 trees. The solar panels on Livingston campus will provide 10% of that campus's power, significantly reducing the amount that Rutgers will spend on electricity every year. You might be wondering, is there anything else that can be done throughout the university? Of course there is! Introducing the Smart Strip Power Strip, the next phase of helping Rutgers go green.
Even when your computer or television is off, its accompanying peripheral devices are still drawing power, wasting both energy and money. This waste energy, known as phantom power, is primarily created by devices that have a continuous display, an LED light, or a power adapter. Here's a demonstration of how the Smart Strip will help eliminate phantom power. Plug your computer into the control device outlet. Plug your speakers, printer, and other peripherals into the switch device outlets. When you turn off the appliance plugged into the control outlet, electricity is automatically cut off to all the switch devices. There are also outlets that always stay on, so items such as clocks, desk lamps, or phone chargers can be plugged into them. When the appliance in the control outlet turns on, the rest of the outlets will turn on as well. Let's look at the standby power being used by a conventional power strip with the television and the Wii, PlayStation 2, and Xbox game consoles plugged into it. Let's compare that to the power reading from the Smart Strip with the same things plugged in. That standby power is significantly lower. The use of these Smart Strips can save Rutgers up to $60,000 annually on the electricity bill. More importantly, approximately 455,000 fewer kilowatt hours will be used, reducing the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere by up to 624,000 pounds.
Although it may seem like this could only be used by students in a dorm room, it can easily be used in many other places, such as office, laboratories, or anywhere else that uses a computer or television.
Upon implementation, the Smart Strip will be an enormous benefit for Rutgers University, both economically and environmentally.